Okay, hello everyone. So today I'll be doing a review and assembly video on this desktop printer stand, which you see right here. It comes with these tools, or parts, and this is how you assemble it. I have a couple of these at my house. I already assembled a few. And it wasn't for printers, it was just to get more space. So it comes with this. Double the surface space in my kitchen. And it comes with two panels. So we remove the styrofoam things. First panel. Second panel. This is pretty easy to assemble. It doesn't take a lot of time to do that. Okay, there it is. You don't need to use any tools for this. It comes with all the tools that you need. It comes with a torque, wrench, which you'll be using to screw everything in. I've got the two panels right there. Okay, let's begin. It doesn't matter which panel you use for the top or the bottom. Makes no difference at all. So the way you get it in is, I think I'm going to start with the bottom first. This is how I'm going to get it in first. Okay. The way we're going to have to do this is like this, lay it flat like that. So this is the bottom part right here. You mount these little legs on there. It's a plastic feet. Let's do that first, so we could get the orientation right. The other leg. Mount the rubber feet here. You don't have to over tighten it, you just have to make sure it's firmly on there, just like that. Let's start with the bottom first. So how are we going to do this? So here's the mounting holes for the panel. There's two holes, one here, one there. Goes in just like that. So I'm going to get the bottom part first. So let me get the screws in there first. Get it through. And get the other one in there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it a little bit hard to do. Let's just do the first screw first. It'd be easier if you had somebody helping you, but I don't. So let me try to do something different, like mount it against the wall. Okay, that screw is in. So you use a torque wrench to get it in. I want to get both in. Just like so. Okay, that looks good. I didn't tighten this yet. I'm gonna tighten it after I get the other part in. So this part right here, to find out where down is. So this is down like this, right? So that's the orientation that I had it in. So let's get the first screw in. And then the next screw. Okay, good. So I'm gonna get the torque wrench, the hex wrench, get it in. So I want to make sure I get it in evenly. Okay, so let me tighten this a little bit. Don't over tighten it, just make sure it's they're nice and firm. Okay, that's pretty good. So let me get the other side now and tighten that until it's firmly in there, which I haven't done. So now I'm going to do that. This is very easy to assemble, and the maximum support at the top, this is 44 pounds. That's about 20 kilograms for those who use the SI units or metric unit. Okay, next I'm going to get the next panel and put that on there, and then you're done. It's very, very simple. So I want to get it like that for that end. And this is how I would align it. Same way. Just get it in with my fingers first. So to make sure that it's aligned, and then get it in with the torque wrench after that. You could use this for a printer stand if you want, but I use another stand for a printer stand. This is mostly for increasing storage area or storage space, basically, because I need more storage space. Because I live in a quite small condominium, so I need all the space I could get. Okay, I don't want to over tighten that yet until I get the next part, which I'm going to get here. Use 2 screws. Just going to get that in. Let's get that in with my fingers first, just to make sure that it's aligning with the hole. Okay, that looks good. Let me just get it in like that. Assembling this thing is pretty easy. It's one thing I like about it. Okay. If you have a hex wrench kit, you could use that as well instead of using the tool that was provided with this stand. You don't have to use this hex tool if you don't want. Okay, I just want to get it in there until it's nice and firm, but I don't want to over tighten it. Okay, that's good right there. Okay, that's good. Let me get the other side and make sure that's in there firmly. This is one of the reasons why I don't like using power screwdrivers, because you could just tighten the screw too much. It's just much easier to just do it by hand, in my opinion. Okay, that's just about the right amount of force. Make sure all the other screws are in there good. Okay. It's firm. So the construction is, the materials are just, I think this is iron or steel, and wood, that's it. The feet are made out of rubber, and the thing is now fully assembled. So I'm going to use it as a stand to put stuff, and I'll show you that next. So that's my stand right there. Now I can use the bottom space, which I'm using, and I could add stuff on the top as well, so I increase the surface area or volume 2 times. So yeah, it's a pretty good thing. It's a pretty versatile stand to own. Okay, thanks for watching.